sukkah project, we are doing love and appreciation for nature. Okay, so for the sukkah project, we are doing kind of like jungle nature theme. And why we did this is because we wanted to like support the animals, and forest, nature in Hebrew is Ya'ar. And we are going to put a lot of Hebrew stuff on our sukkah, and yeah, that's basically it. I feel like that's too clean.
Yeah, we need to get into like that stuff.
Yeah.
What if what we do is we have like a layer, like something.
Oh, but I do have this disco here. I was gonna look at my wall. I have this thing, but oh hi, I'm just working on the Dvar Torah. Oh hi, I'm just working on the base for a sukkah.
Hi, I'm also working on the base.
No, the sukkah project is really fun, but you can't forget about cleaning up.
Yep.
Because if you don't clean up, then you won't get full credit, and like that doesn't really count as a sukkah project. So when you guys do projects, always clean